Today's review. I show you how I make a cheese quesadilla when I'm hungry and I skipped lunch. Stay tuned.
Reviews by Cam.
So first thing we do here is we let the pan get warm. It's very key. You don't want a cold pan. It doesn't usually cook very well when it's cold. So if you slide over here, we got our pepper jack and our mozzarella. And I know what you guys are thinking. Interesting combination. And I gotta say, it could be. But this is what we have on deck, so I'm gonna enjoy it the fullest. Next, we have our carb balance Mission whole wheat tortilla shells. And I gotta say, they do provide carb balance, which is good if you're carb conscious. I'm particularly not, but I bought this brand because, well, it tasted pretty good. So, anyway.
Don't forget the Pam, or whatever your local kitchen stocks. I assume butter may also work, but I'm not a pro chef.
Now we take our Pam and we want to spray it in the pan. Very hard to say both those words. And you see, you want a nice little glaze on the pan, because we don't want the quesadilla shell to stick to the pan. It would be brutal to think that we could eat something after it's stuck to the pan like that. So, got the pan. It's getting hot. I recommend not doing what I'm doing now, putting your face very close to a hot pan. It's dangerous, and I'm only doing it for the functionality of this video. Now the proper way is to stick your hand in front of this. You feel the warmth, you know your pan is getting warm.
Next, twirl the tortilla shell in a circular motion. You want to make it dizzy. If you make it dizzy, it confuses itself to being even better than it was beforehand. Make sure you sprinkle the cheese in slow motion. It's a powerful and impactful taste difference when you're enjoying your quesadilla. Now slap down the pepper jack. Now put the top shell on. As you can see, we have the pants of the quesadilla. Now it needs a shirt. We can't have a topless quesadilla. It just doesn't make sense. Now flip the quesadilla. We want it to be subtly crisp, but yet soft. Pat the tortilla shell with your spatula to unlock the cheeses with the fibers of the shell.
So we let the quesadilla sit here for a couple minutes maybe. Let it crisp up to a nice level where we feel satisfied inside.
And here's the final product. We'll give you a nice close look. Now here's a closer look at the inside of the quesadilla. After this, the TV food networks will be clamoring for me to get my own show.
So next, you're probably thinking, Cam, what are you going to have with the quesadilla? Well, I keep it healthy, much like Popeye. I go for some organic baby spinach. It's healthy, it makes you strong. Thank you.
Now make sure you clean up. Look out! before I forget, my friend, chef, and colleague from the Charcuterie Club, class of 96, would agree. Hippie dust, definitely optional. Anyway, enough of this one. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see ya.